Oh yeah, electronic thermostat. That's cool. Oh, there's ice. Like how you're struggling with the door over there. Yeah, both of the rooms look to be about the same. Except the closets.
Yeah.
Oh, these ones don't have carpet in them.
Did the ones yesterday?
I think one of them did, but why my focus is all weird. Need to get a new phone, a new camera. And then there's the living space. This is pretty big.
Do you think it's gonna have the exact same fixtures soon?
Probably.
Or like counters and stuff?
Should, honestly. And then it also has, there's lots of lights that we can put our own fancy bulbs in.
I think somebody already wall mounted a TV right here.
Yeah.
That's perfect. That's where the TV's going.
You want it in front of the, oh, I guess it's not that big. I thought, yeah, no, a TV would not block the windows. As long as we don't get a too big TV.
50-inch.
That shouldn't block the windows, right? Cool.
And then
Here's our key.
I love how like the walls are too. It gives a lot of like spots to put things.
Mm-hmm.
And then
That's a very nice unit, actually.